Hey everyone, are you tired of that lingering vomit smell in your car? Whether it's from a wild night out or a car-sick passenger, we've all been there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of vomit smell in your car with just a little elbow grease and a few key tools and products. Buckle up, roll up your sleeves, and let's get to work. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! 1. Remove visible vomit. First things first, you've got to remove any visible vomit. If you don't, it'll just keep releasing that nasty smell and potentially stain your car's interior. Gross, right? So, put on some disposable gloves, grab a few sheets of paper towels, and gently scoop up as much of the vomit as possible. Remember, don't rub or push it further into the upholstery. You don't want to make things worse. 2. Apply cleaning solution. Now, let's mix up a cleaning solution. You can either use equal parts white vinegar and water, or grab a commercial enzyme cleaner. Just make sure to read the label and follow the instructions. Soak a clean cloth in the vinegar solution, wring it out, and gently blot the vomit stain, starting from the outside and working inwards. Remember, no rubbing or scrubbing. Let the solution sit for about 10 to 15 minutes to do its magic. 3. Rinse the area. Next up, it's time to rinse. Grab a clean cloth and dampen it with clean water. Wipe the area gently, starting from the outside and working your way inwards. Be patient and gentle. You don't want to damage your car's interior or spread the stain. If the stain is stubborn, you might need to repeat this process a few times. 4. Dry the area. Now let's dry the area to prevent any water damage or mildew from developing. Use a clean, dry towel to blot the area and remove as much moisture as possible. Press down firmly but gently, no rubbing or scrubbing, folks. 5. Apply baking soda. Almost there. Now we're going to neutralize any remaining vomit smell with baking soda. Sprinkle it liberally over the affected area and let it sit for at least an hour or overnight if you can. This gives the baking soda time to work its magic and get rid of that nasty smell. 6. Vacuum the baking soda. Grab your vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment and vacuum up the baking soda. Make sure you get into all the crevices and tight spaces. We don't want any lingering baking soda messing up your clean car. 7. Air out your car. Finally, roll down all of your car windows and let some fresh air in. Turn on your car's air conditioning or ventilation system to help circulate the air. Leave your windows open for at least a few hours, or even longer if you can. This will allow fresh air to circulate throughout your car and help eliminate any remaining odor. And there you have it, folks. Follow these steps, and you'll say goodbye to that nasty vomit smell in your car in no time. If the odor persists, just repeat steps 2 to 5 until it's completely gone. Your car will be smelling fresh and clean again, and you won't have to feel embarrassed giving your friends a ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and hacks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.